Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down? Do you struggle with fatigue, brain fog, and unexplained weight gain? If so, you may be dealing with a fatty liver. Don't worry, though, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide are affected by this condition, but the good news is that it's reversible. In this video, we'll dive into the world of fatty liver and explore practical strategies to help you heal and regain your vitality. Get ready to transform your health and reclaim your energy levels. We'll start by understanding what a fatty liver is and how it develops. Then, we'll delve into the power of nutrition, uncovering the best foods to incorporate into your diet and the ones to avoid. Exercise will also play a crucial role in our discussion, as we explore effective workout routines tailored to support liver health. Additionally, we'll explore the importance of stress management and lifestyle modifications that can significantly impact your journey to healing. Buckle up, because this comprehensive guide is about to change your life. What is a fatty liver? A fatty liver, also known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, occurs when excess fat accumulates in the liver cells. This condition can range from a simple buildup of fat, known as steatosis, to a more severe form called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, which can lead to inflammation, scarring, and potentially liver failure if left untreated. Causes and risk factors. Several factors can contribute to the development of a fatty liver. Obesity, insulin resistance, high blood sugar levels, and high levels of fats in the blood, known as hyperlipidemia, are among the primary risk factors. Additionally, a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, and certain medical conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and hypothyroidism can increase your chances of developing a fatty liver. The power of a liver-friendly diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in healing your fatty liver. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense, whole foods that are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. Some liver-friendly options include 1. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, arugula. 2. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. 3. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. 4. Healthy fats, avocados, extra virgin olive oil, nuts, and seeds. 5. Lean proteins, fish, poultry, legumes. 6. Herbs and spices, turmeric, ginger, garlic. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats, as these can contribute to inflammation and exacerbate fatty liver conditions. The powerful regular physical activity is essential for managing and reversing a fatty liver. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise and strength training to promote weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. Here are some effective exercise options. 1. Brisk walking or jogging. 2. Swimming or water aerobics. 3. Cycling or elliptical training. 4. Resistance training with weights or resistance bands. 5. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key, so find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Calming the storm. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your liver health. When you're stressed, your body produces excess cortisol, a hormone that can contribute to inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver. To combat stress, incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as 1. Deep breathing exercises. 2. Meditation or mindfulness practices. 3. Yoga or gentle stretching. 4. Journaling or expressing gratitude. 5. Engaging in hobbies or activities you enjoy. Prioritizing self-care and finding healthy ways to manage stress can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and liver health. Lifestyle modifications. Embracing change. In addition to diet, exercise, and stress management, certain lifestyle changes can significantly support your journey to healing your fatty liver. Consider the following. 1. Limiting or avoiding alcohol consumption, as alcohol can exacerbate liver damage. 2. Quitting smoking, as smoking increases inflammation and oxidative stress. 3. Getting adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. 4. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. 5. Maintaining a healthy weight or working toward weight loss if overweight or obese. Remember, healing your fatty liver is a comprehensive process that requires a holistic approach. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can take control of your health and pave the way for a vibrant, energetic future. Your liver is a remarkable organ with an incredible ability to heal and regenerate. By following the strategies outlined in this video, you can give your liver the support it needs to recover from the effects of fatty liver disease. Embrace a liver-friendly diet, engage in regular exercise, manage stress effectively, and make lifestyle modifications that prioritize your well-being. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key. With dedication and perseverance, you can heal your fatty liver and reclaim your vitality. Embark on this transformative journey today and experience the freedom of optimal health and energy levels.